If you've ever thought about making passive income on YouTube, without spending money, without showing your face, and without any experience, then this video is exactly what you need. Because today, I'm going to show you a step-by-step strategy that beginners can follow to start a successful YouTube channel from scratch. And no, this isn't one of those vague, just post and hope tutorials. I'm giving you a full system that you can start using today to create real, monetizable content that gets views, grows fast, and sets your channel up for long-term success. Now here's the crazy part. This strategy helped me grow a brand new channel to 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, enough for monetization, within just 30 days. And yes, this was done with zero paid ads, zero face cam, and zero voice if you don't want to use one. So if you're ready to start making AI-powered videos in one of the easiest and most evergreen niches on YouTube, while also learning how to avoid shadow bans, pick winning topics, and automate the hard parts, then grab a notebook and stay with me till the end. But before we begin, just do me one favor. It takes 2 seconds and costs nothing. Hit the like button and subscribe so I can keep bringing you real value like this. Alright, let's dive in. And I'll show you proof that this niche actually works, with real channels earning thousands every single month. I'm sure you've probably seen one of these channels on YouTube before. They don't show their face, they don't speak, yet somehow, they have millions of subscribers and thousands of videos. Let me give you an example. This channel right here, it has 7.8 million subscribers and posts videos about facts, geography, history, and mind-blowing things about the world we live in. They're earning at least $3,000 every single month, and that's just from ad revenue, not even counting brand deals or affiliate links. But here's what really blew my mind. There's another channel in the same niche with a jaw-dropping 44.7 million subscribers. And guess what? They've posted over 10,000 videos. They post at least 4 long-form videos every single day. That kind of consistency might sound crazy at first, but when you learn how they do it, with tools and systems, it becomes doable, even for beginners. And here's the best part. This niche isn't some complicated tech tutorial or facecam vlog. It's about world facts. Videos about places, countries, extreme weather, strange borders, or unbelievable truths about life across the planet. It's content that everyone can enjoy, and it never goes out of style. Better still, you don't need any experience to start. No editing background, no scripting skills, and no fancy equipment. All you need is a strategy, some free tools, and the mindset to take consistent action. Now I know what some of you are thinking. This looks easy, but what if I get stuck with 0 views? That's a very real problem. And the truth is, many beginners get shadow banned without even knowing it. But don't worry, I'm going to show you exactly how to avoid that trap. Because before you even upload your first video, you need to make sure your channel is properly set up, warmed up, and recognized by YouTube as legit, not as a bot or spam account. Let's fix that before it becomes a problem. So here's what you need to do before uploading anything. And trust me, this part is non-negotiable if you want YouTube to take your channel seriously. The first thing is something most beginners skip: warming up your channel. If your Gmail account is brand new and you instantly create a YouTube channel under it, YouTube's system might flag it. Why? Because millions of accounts are created every year, and a lot of them are spammy bots. So unless you look like a real person, the algorithm can quietly bury your channel without you ever realizing it. That's why you need to warm up your account for at least 10 days. During that time, just use the account like a normal viewer. Watch videos, leave genuine comments, subscribe to a few channels, like some content. Basically, behave like a human, not a robot. It sounds simple, but it makes a big difference. Once that's done, the next step is optimizing your channel. This is where most new creators fall short. They skip this and wonder why their videos never reach the right audience. So here's what to do. First, head over to a free tool called Rapid Tags. It's going to help us find the most relevant keywords for our niche, in this case, facts about the world. Just search that phrase and boom, you'll get a full list of popular keywords related to your niche. Now take a few of those keywords and head over to ChatGPT. You're going to ask it to write you a compelling channel description using those keywords. Here's a simple prompt you can use. Write a YouTube channel description about world facts using these keywords. Paste your keywords here. Once ChatGPT gives you a polished paragraph, just copy and paste it into your channel's About section. Done. Now go to YouTube Studio, click on Settings, then go to the Channel tab. Choose your correct country, add the correct one, you don't need to give misinformations here, and paste all those same keywords as your channel tags. Last step here, under Feature Eligibility, you need to verify your phone number to unlock intermediate features like custom thumbnails and longer videos. It only takes 30 seconds. At this point, your channel is warmed up, keyword optimized, and verified. That's a strong foundation. But here's a critical warning. Don't spam your channel link everywhere. I know it's tempting to drop your link in Facebook groups, comment sections, or forums asking people to please subscribe back. But that's the fastest way to tank your growth. You can't cheat the algorithm, and if it smells desperation or fake engagement, it'll push your channel further into the void. So just stay patient. If your content is good and your setup is clean, YouTube will do its job. Alright, now that your channel is properly set up and ready to go, it's time to talk about content creation. And I'm not just going to tell you, make good videos. I'm going to show you exactly how to come up with viral video ideas, write engaging scripts, and build videos that people actually watch. First step, finding the right video idea. A lot of beginners make this mistake. They just post whatever comes to mind. But if you want people to click, watch, and share your content, you have to create what's already working, what people are already searching for and watching right now. And the easiest way to do that, use ChatGPT. Here's the exact prompt you can use. Give me 20 viral YouTube video ideas for a YouTube channel about interesting facts about the world. Paste that into ChatGPT and watch the ideas flow in. And if you want that prompt, along with every other one I use in this tutorial, you'll find them in the description of the video. And here we have 20 viral video ideas we can use to create our video. Now let's say you've picked your topic. In this case, let's go with countries you can walk across in under 2 hours. Great title. But now we need a script, and not just any script. You need a story that hooks viewers and keeps them watching till the end. Let me show you how to do that next. Take your video idea, in this case, countries you can walk across in under 2 hours, and plug it into ChatGPT using this custom prompt. Write a YouTube video script in a storytelling tone that hooks the viewer in the first 5 seconds, keeps them curious, and delivers unique facts about insert your topic. Use short sentences, suspenseful pacing, and cliffhangers at the end of each section. Don't include any heads, just the full script. This prompt will give you something great. It'll write like a storyteller, not a textbook. In just a few seconds, you'll have a full script that sounds natural, flows smoothly, and makes people want to keep watching. If you want the script to be longer, just say, make this a 10-minute script, or however long you need. Once the script is ready, don't just copy and paste it into your video. Take a few minutes to read it, polish it, and add your personal flavor. Remember, everyone has access to these tools, but it's your edits that make it yours. Now that we've got a solid script, it's time to bring it to life. And no, you still don't need to use your voice. Let's talk about how to turn your script into a professional-sounding voiceover using free AI tools. Now comes one of the easiest, but most satisfying steps in this whole process, turning your script into a voiceover. And the best part? You don't need a microphone. You don't need a studio. You don't even need to speak. Open 11 Labs. Pick a voice you like, male or female, whatever fits your niche. Paste your full script into the text box. Click Generate. In a few seconds, your entire script will be turned into a clean, high-quality voiceover, ready to drop into your video. And if you want to make it even more engaging, play around with the pacing and voice settings. You can make the voice slower, more dramatic, or even more energetic, depending on your topic. Once that's done, save the audio file. That's your voiceover track, no recording, no retakes, no awkward stutters. All right, now let's move on to the visuals. Because no matter how good your script and voiceover are, if your video looks boring, people won't stick around. So let's talk about how to combine stock videos and AI-generated clips to make your content visually addictive, even if you've never edited a video before. Here's where the magic really starts to happen. The visuals. Now you've got got your script and your voiceover, but we need something to keep people glued to the screen. And no, you don't need a camera crew or expensive editing software to do that. You're going to use a mix of stock footage and AI-generated video clips to bring your script to life and make it look like it was made by a pro. Let's break it down. Step 1. Let's get the stock footage. Head over to a site like Pexels.com or Pixabay.com. These platforms offer free stock videos in HD quality that you can use commercially. No copyright strikes, no credits needed. Start by reading through your script and identify what kind of visuals match each section. For example, if the script says, for example, in the beginning, imagine waking up, you can find clips by just writing waking up. Download a few clips for each part of your script. Try to aim for 5 to 10 seconds per clip. That way, your visuals stay dynamic and don't feel repetitive. Step 2. Add custom AI-generated clips. Now, let's say there's a scene or idea that's too specific to find on a stock site. You can ask ChatGPT to generate specific prompts for a section of the video using MidJourney. Here's how. Copy the part of your script you want visualized. Go to ChatGPT and ask, create a prompt to generate a realistic AI video for this scene using MidJourney. Paste script line here. Go row MidJourney and paste the prompt into the prompt section and boom, here we have the image. Now click on the image that you like and then just select one of these forms here to get an animation and boom, here we have our clip. The quality is amazing. Now you've got a custom, eye-catching video clip that makes your content stand out. Once you've collected all your stock and AI footage, you're ready to combine them. And no, you don't need to be an editor to do this either. Let's move to the editing stage, and I'll show you how to stitch everything together easily, even if you've never edited a video before. Alright, now it's time to bring everything together. The voiceover, the visuals, the script, into one clean, professional-looking video. And the good news? You don't need to be a video editing wizard. Tools like CapCut make this step simple and beginner-friendly. Let me walk you through it using CapCut, since it's free and super intuitive. Open CapCut and start a new project. Import your voiceover. This will be the backbone of your video. Drop in your stock and AI video clips. Align them with the voiceover as it plays. Use short clips. Keep visuals changing every 5 to 7 seconds, and make sure they actually match what's being said in the voiceover. Once the video is done, add subtitles if you can. Subtitles boost watch time, especially for mobile users. CapCut even lets you auto-generate subtitles from your voiceover, so there's no excuse. Export the video in 1080p, save it, and boom, you've got a YouTube-ready video. But if you want to automate this entire process, from script to video, and save hours of time, there's a tool I've been using that can do just that. Let me show you how it works. The tool I'm talking about is called Video Talk, and honestly, it's a game changer, especially if you're just getting started and want to speed things up without sacrificing quality. Here's what makes it powerful. It can take your script, your voiceover, or even just a simple video idea, and generate a complete video for you with animated scenes, voice, subtitles, and even background music, all with just a few clicks. So basically, all the work that I showed you how to do manually till now, you can just use this tool, and it will do it for you automatically in just 2 minutes. Let me walk you through how to use it. Sign up for a free account. You'll find the link in the video description. Once you're inside the dashboard, click Create New Video. Choose the Fully Automated AI Video option. This is where the magic happens. Now you can choose to either paste your full video script, upload a voiceover you already recorded, or even let the AI write the script for you using a topic prompt. Let's try the short-form video option first. Say your video topic is 5 smallest countries you can walk across in under 2 hours. Just paste that in and set the aspect ratio to 9:16 for shorts. Set the video duration to 60 seconds and choose animated video clips if you want more dynamic visuals. Next, pick an AI model. I like using the Kling 1.6 model because it gives you smooth, sharp animations. Then choose your style. Maybe realistic, 2D, or even cinematic depending on your niche. Set the language to English, pick a voice that sounds natural and engaging, and hit Generate Video. Within a few minutes, Video Talk AI will build your video scene by scene. You'll even get a preview page where you can edit the script, modify the visual prompts, or swap out clips if you want to fine-tune anything. What I love most about this tool is that you can customize subtitle styles, adjust the music volume, and even add sound effects, all inside their editor. And when you're done, just click Publish and the tool will generate your title, description, and SEO tags for YouTube. You can literally copy and paste everything directly into your upload. Now, let's take a look at one of the example videos made using this method, just so you can see the quality for yourself.
Did you know there are countries so tiny you can walk across them faster than watching an episode of your favorite show? Playground for the Rich takes only 56 minutes to walk from one end to the other. Finally, Nauru, a tiny island nation in the Pacific, can be circled in approximately 2 hours. Imagine being able to say you walked an entire country before lunch. These nations might be small in size.
Now here's what I want you to do. Drop a comment under this video that says, "I'm starting." Then come back in 30 days and reply to your comment with your progress. How many videos did you post? How many subs did you gain? And what I'm sharing here is only 10% of what I share with people that are in the community. You can join the wait list, and when we open for new people, you will be the first ones to get an email and have the opportunity to join, but you need to be quick since the places are limited. But yeah, guys, basically just be consistent. You'll be shocked at what consistency can do. All right, we've come full circle, from setting up your channel and avoiding shadow bans, to finding trending ideas, writing viral scripts, creating voiceovers, and generating professional quality videos with AI tools. This strategy works, but it only works if you do the work. So take that first step today. Pick your niche, pick your first idea, and get your first video uploaded within the next 24 hours. You don't need to be perfect, you just need to start. And with that, I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay consistent, stay creative, and keep building.